This is going to be a video more about doing than actually watching, but we're going to do something called special products, and there are two. It's perfect squares and difference of squares, which will come in the next video. A perfect square is something like x plus 3 squared. Well, x plus 3 squared is basically x plus 3 times x plus 3. In other words, we can make a rectangle that's going to be x plus 3 by x plus 3. Of course, if it's the same thing, then that's going to make a square, not just a rectangle. So how do I expand this? Well, the long way would be to just copy down by two brackets and then multiply them. X times x gives me x squared. 3 times 3 gives me the 9. I'm then going to go with 3x and 3x, which gives me 6. Now, I want you to expand the other two ones over here to get the answer, and then as you see if you can find a pattern with the signs. Then at the bottom we have different ones, minus x. So again, you expand the two of them, and x times x gives me x squared. Minus 3 times minus 3 gives me plus 9, and minus 3 gives me minus 6x. So fill all them in, and then see if you can actually write the general form. General form would let us know with anything in the first term or anything on the second term. So A is the first term, B is the second term. So I'll get you started. It seems to be that I get x squared when I have x. So my first term here would be a squared. And I'll probably say, if I have the first term plus the second term squared, then my answer would be the first term squared plus, and then fill in the other two terms. How do you get those middle ones? Now, just so you know, you can get inventive. I forgot my tripod, so I just used the Pilot Books to get my camera on the spot.